Alright, 1HT, I have a nice video for you. It's about percentages. You need it for paragraph 1, paragraph 2 also, because I have something that's new. But first I want to repeat the basics. Then I want to tell you about a percentage increase in this case. I did another video about this, but I mean I can't. If I repeat it again, then you know it better, I think. And this is new, so I'm going to talk about that in a moment. First question is, how do you calculate 7% of 150? Now there are two ways of doing that. One way is you do 150 divided by 100, because then you know what 1% is, and then you multiply that with 7. So if you do that, you get, let me think, 10.5. Alright. If you do it the other way, you can also do this. You can say that 7% is 0.07, and then on your calculator you can do 0.07 times 150, and then you also get 10.5. So this is actually the same thing, but here you see you have to do two things, and here you only have to do one thing. Next question, what percentage is 8 out of 40? So here we knew the percentage, and now we want to know the percentage. Now there's a rule for this, so I'll write it down in a different color. And the rule is part divided by total times 100. So in this case the total is 40, the part is 8. So if you want to calculate this, you do 8 divided by 40 and then times 100. And then you get 20%. So this is the answer. Yeah. Let me make this point a bit better. Then I have another question. An amount of 200 now gets a 13% increase. Calculate the new amount. Okay, so in this example over here, we wanted to know what is 7% of that. Now, not only do we want to know 13% of that, we also want to add it to it. So this is what you have to do. You take the 100%, which is 200, right, and you add 13% to it. So that means that the new amount will be 113%. So you multiply with 1.13. So to calculate the new amount, you do 200 times 1.13. And that is 226. And that's the answer then. The last thing that's new, here we have an amount increases from 300 to 360. And now we want to know the percentage increase. So here we already knew the percentage increase, and we want to calculate the new amount. But now we know the new amount already, and now we want to know what was the percentage increase. Well, there's a rule for this, and they don't say it in your book. In your book they say something else. I don't really like what they do. If you understand the method that the book says, you can use it, of course, but you can also use what I do over here. The rule here is new, so we have a new amount, right, minus old, divided by old times 100. This is also what you'll learn later when you're in the 3rd class. You're going to have economics. They also use this rule, so that's why I want to tell you that earlier. So if you want to know the percentage increase in this example, the new amount is 360, the old amount is 300. So you do 360 minus 300 divided by 300. Now please pay attention, because with some calculators, I don't know which one you're going to use, but sometimes you have to put this in brackets. If you have the calculator that you should have, and you use the fraction button, you don't have to put the brackets around this, but you can. Yeah, so that's why sometimes you can put brackets around this. So you can check with this example if your calculator says the correct answer. Then you know if you have to use brackets or not. And this times 100. So new minus old divided by old times 100. In this case I also get 20%. So I chose nice numbers on the board here, right? Otherwise you can round it off to one decimal place if you get a number that's not so nice as this one. So this was the new explanation. I hope everybody understands it. Otherwise let me know. I can make another video for you. Thank you very much.